This is the time I hiked to the top of the Maili Pillbox Trail on the west side of Oahu in Hawaii. This trail is short yet strenuous, having a lot of vertical incline, but once you get to the top, you get breathtaking views like this. Now sit back and relax and enjoy this view. My name is Joe Reardon, and over the past 5 years, I've road tripped across the United States, moved to Florida, scubaed in Hawaii, got engaged in Mexico, lived out of a van in Iceland, skied in Aspen, hiked in Brazil, and much more. I've spent a lot of time traveling, but not a lot of time editing. I finally got around to it, and